Hi guys, in this short video I'm gonna tell you that how you can easily make your Facebook account private. So that's quite simple, but a lot of people doesn't know that how to make your Facebook account private. But before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have liked the video. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, open the Facebook application, then click on the menu on the bottom right corner and click on the gear at the top right corner. Now you will head over to settings. Now you can see here is a next section on the top of tools and resources just below the Media Account Center. Now you can see the option of privacy checkup. Click on it. Now you will have to click on the top left option, that is who can see what you share. Click on it. Now click on continue. Now you can see all your Facebook information appeared, including your phone number, your email address, your date of birth, your home address, your relationship status, and all your friends and following. So if you want to make something private, for example, I want to make my hometown private, I will click on it and click on only me, and it will be selected. Now after you're done with this section, click on next. Now they will ask you to set the audience for your posts and stories. For example, I want to make my posts private. I will click on it and click on more and click on only me. Now only you will be able to see your posts. Anyone else will not be able to see the post that you have uploaded on your Facebook account, on your timeline. Similarly, stories can also be made private by the same process. And once you are done with this section, making the stories private and posts private, click on next. Now they will ask you to block someone. For example, if you want to block someone on Facebook, he will not be able to see your account, not able to see your posts and stories. You can also block someone by just clicking on add to block list, and you can search the name of the person that you want to block and simply click on block, and then the person that you have blocked will be blocked. And after you're done with this section, click on next and click on review another topic. Now you're all done. Your Facebook account is private now. So I hope that you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel.